Looking at this screenshot right now, you'll be seeing withdrawal of 0.00022 Litecoin from this site which I'll be introducing to us right now, which was $2, which this guy just withdrew from this site. And I will be showing you how to earn such amount from this site. So just watch this video to the very end. Okay, so this is my community where I drop daily update on how you can earn money online. So I'll be dropping the link for this community. It's a WhatsApp group down my description, so you can join, so you'll not be missing any update as daily information always dropped here. As you can see, withdrawal proof are also here, and these are legit site that pays you for free. You understand? For free. You don't have to deposit any dime. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, guys, once you want, the first thing you have to do is to click the link down the description below. Once you click the link, it will take you to a Telegram channel. So for you to able to earn freely from this side, you have to have a Telegram channel. So once you click the link, it will take you down to this point where you have to click on start. Okay, you have to click on start. This is what you see here. You say, what can the bro do for you? So AIRO is just a four color route. So these are just a four color that you have to select at random. Okay, so I will show you how it works. So for not getting confused, once you get here, just first click at this um start button below. Once you click on this start button below right now, it will take you to the next interface where you start working. As you can see here, another right top just pop in. Okay, this is welcome for the four color lottery. Okay, so you got to read everything here, but we are not interested in that. So the first thing you have to do now is to click on play now. But before you play now, there is another icon below. Okay, so just go to click on and I complete. So just go ahead to follow their channel. Okay, so make sure you follow their channel, because if you follow their channel, you have to click on this play now. But first of all, we are going to follow their channel, because if you follow their channel, it will enable you to get information on every update they drop considering this game. Okay, so in case of giveaway, bonus, you will not miss out. Okay, so that's how this is their own Telegram channel. So I haven't done that. We'll go to click on play now. Once you click on this play now, as you see here, by launching the mini app, you agree to terms and conditions. So just click on start. Once you click on the start button right now, we just allow it to take us to where we start making our money from this side. So as a sign up from this side, look at how the interface is. It's a bit confusing, right? But don't worry, I'll take you how to earn from this side. It's very, very easy. So once you sign up, you will be seeing a open 5 AI token. Okay, this is their AI which help you to earn from this side. They are giving you 5 worth of their token. So it requires you to boost this 5 to I think 17, which is the minimum withdrawal, and you'll be able to withdraw direct to any of your exchange. Okay, for you to withdraw, you can see the icon below here. There are different icon right here, so you just click on this withdraw. Okay, and this is where you do your tax. This is where you play your game and earn. In case you want to deposit, you can earn some money if you want to deposit. Okay, and this is when you see your friends. So if you deposit, you earn extra pay. But if you want to deposit, you can actually earn for free. But for the next of this video, we are doing everything actually for free. Okay, as you can see here, they say the game has started. So we cannot play the game until this game finish. And after the game gets started, you see they tick a particular color here, which was green. Okay, this icon ticked on green. So I'll not be entering this game. I want to show you I want to show us something. So right now people are booking the game. As you can see here, all these things loading up here are people booking the game. So when they are done booking the game, you select any particular color and determine where the color ends. As you can see here, this color end at red. Remember the first one, the initial one was green. Okay, so that's just how this site works. And for you to choose a color that you might fall in, like this that they might be picking here. Okay, just go ahead to select. Okay, I will show you how to set a color, but right now the color just end at green also. So that's how it is. Then for you to select a color for yourself, as you can see here, we have the red, the green, the yellow and the blue. So these are the 4 colors they are working with. So once you have to do it, to select the color before this count time. Okay, as you see there, the countdown is off, and as you can see here, the color is rolling, and right now it's up as green right now. So I'm sure you guys have understand how the thing was. And look at for you, before you start predicting color, watch the previous colors that have come out from this. Look at it here over here. So the first color was the red, the other one green, red, blue, and green. Okay, as you see it, so it will help you, like if you can predict which color next do you think it will come. Okay, we have green here, and the next one was red. So right now the last color now is red. What do you think it will come? It's just blue. So you can go ahead to click on blue. Once you click on blue, that means you stake amount. Okay, so let's assume we click on blue, we didn't click on any blue. Okay, as I can see here, the color was red that came out again. So as I can see here now, this was the last 5 color that they just predicted. So that's how the game actually works. Okay, then for you to predict, you put the amount you want to predict here. As you can see, it's one of their token here. So you can also increase the token by doing ×2 of it, or times 3 of it, like if you want to earn more bigger. So right, as what I mean is, as you can see here, x2 is okay, or you put on mass. When you put on mass, all your available amount here will pop out here. So that's how it is. But basically, I would advise us to go with this one here, this one that is at the middle. Use the one and be staking. The more you win, you can decide later to increase your balance. Okay, so that's very easy. So right now, so I'll just explain the game before I take 1 or 2 games here. So for you to take a game, as you can see here, we have the red, the green, the yellow, and the blue color. So all you're doing here is just to select a color, to predict a color that this arrow will end up picking. As I can see here, arrow will end up picking the blue color. Okay, so right now I'm just going to predict one color right now. So let me go for red, since red is occurring once. So I just place a order now. As you can see here, my balance is now 4 AI. Okay, so let's, and the game has started already. So okay, right now I actually didn't get the red color, and I can still go in again to predict before this time counts down. Okay, so let me go for green. As you can see, people are also predicting here. People are predicting red, green, blue, and so on. So once you can also determine the more another strategy is to check the populated color that have been taken here. I think they go with the lesser one. Okay, and I see red is much here. So let me go for what? Let me just go for blue. Okay, so I just want to check if I win one before I stop this game. Okay, as you can see here, I went for green and I actually won back my 5.2. Have you seen that? That's how the game works. So how I do win, or how I will advise you to go by it, is once others are taken, take the populated color they are going and go for the lesser one. That's how it is. Once you go for the lesser one, you are likely to earn more. As you see now, the color they choose now is red. So those that picked red actually won. So that's how it is. So you keep doing this, and once you earn a lot of balance here, you can come at this point, the withdrawal icon here. Once you can withdraw right now, you'll be seeing different cryptocurrency you can decide to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw using Litecoin, you make sure you have up to 16 AI coin. Meanwhile, I'm having 5.2 AI coin in my balance. Okay, so if you want to withdraw using a TRX, which is your Tron, make sure you have 37. So if you want to withdraw using your Tron, make sure you have 29. So all the minimum amount for each cryptocurrency are listed below it. Okay, so you just select the one you wish to withdraw from. We're going to withdraw through your TRC20, which is the general account. You can up to 161. So guys, this is actually free. You have to deposit, but if you wish like depositing, you can go ahead to deposit using any cryptocurrency of your choice. And once you deposit, they will convert it down, the worth down to your balance. So guys, this is all I have for us today. Since I've not reached the minimum withdrawal, I will still play until I get to withdraw. So if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a nice comment. Until I see you guys in my next video.